Dear teachers, welcome to day 7 of our online ICT course, and today we'll be discussing a little bit on how we do some online collaborations, and we'll be taking a topic which will be giving us some insights on how to work collaboratively in an online environment. But before that, I would like to congratulate all those who have been able to participate in the live discussion yesterday. And of course, I'll be able to read some of the comments made by you, which says that some of you were not able to connect because of the internet connections that you have had in your places, and some of you had some other activities that were going on and therefore they could not be able to connect. And some of you were actually had other commitments that prevented them to be able to participate, like some of them were traveling and some of them were not in a position to be able to participate in the process. But we are happy that some of you, about 60-70 participants, could be able to view our live interactions, even though we started very late, a little bit late, with some ups and downs because of network connections. And we do hope that in the next live session, we'll be having something that is improved, which could be used by yourself and which could be something that is more useful to each and every participant of this course. And therefore, we would like to remind you that during the upcoming live interaction, you need to get prepared because you need to participate as well and ask questions so that you can be able to respond to your questions. But then preparation involves staying at a place where there is a good network connection, and of course preparing yourself by putting an internet connection into your smartphone or your computer, so that by that time you don't miss all these important sessions. Yeah, this next live session would be probably on Friday, day after tomorrow. Because Saturday will be weekend, and I'm not sure whether many of you would be able to make it, but probably Friday would be maybe a good place, a good time for you, maybe in the evening, that many of you could be able to participate. But again, one of your participants said that you are almost opening up your school sessions, and therefore some of you will be traveling back to your workplaces, and therefore probably will be stopping our course on Sunday, June 26th or something, on June 26th or June 27th. So we'll try our best to finish this course by Saturday probably, and then we'll see what you can be able to arrange in the near future. So yeah, so thank you for participating. I'm also following up the comments we are putting, you're commenting in our forum, discussion forums. Some of them are very good comments, so I encourage you to keep on commenting. So you see a post initiated by someone, just go down and read the comment, write an appropriate comment that can be useful for the writer, so that he or she gets a good feedback to this particular discussion forum. But again, one of my observations is it looks like many of the participants in the discussion forums are only males. So I would like to see also female teachers also participating in the discussion forums, so that you get to learn how we can be able to integrate and use technology in our teaching and learning. Because the changes that we need will always come from all of us, and therefore if you can be able to participate in all aspects as a group from all categories, that will be making it much more easier for everyone to cope and everyone to apply. So remember, you have discussion forums, and you have also a technical question section where you have to write your technical questions. Anytime you have a question, just drop it there. And you participants, anytime you have to go and look into the different questions that are posted there, so that some of the questions that you can be able to answer, you answer them as required to answer. So make sure that you are participating in every aspect. So go to the discussion forum, share your questions and experiences, go to the technical question section, help those who have asked the questions so that they come up with answers. And once you post your question in the technical question section, make sure that you visit regularly to see the responses that have been made or have been shared by your peers. So today, we are now on day 7 of our online course, and we hope from the discussions I can see that some of you are also enjoying. I have also received a couple of emails which actually were responding to the email activity that I had shared with you, that you have to write an email activity and then put the different modules, include all the 6 components of an email, and put the salutation, greetings, the body, sign off, the signature, and all those components. I could be able to see that many of you have been able to write good emails, And I'm sure that you're going to apply these emails when you're writing to your other friends, your peers, or even your seniors, in case you need to communicate to them, which will therefore show that this is also something that is of improvement. Today we are discussing on online collaboration tools, and in these online collaboration tools we'll be highlighting some important collaboration tools. And these collaboration tools will actually include tools like Google Drive, and tools like Padlet, and tools like Mentimeter, all of which are online tools, but some of them may be having some limitations due to space and time, and space and storage. But we could put effort much more on Google Drive, which has a lot of applications that we could be able to use as teachers to be able to work in an environment and collaborate with our students, or collaborate among ourselves, so that we can be able to build a network of teachers who are knowledgeable and who know how to use these online ICT tools to be able to develop themselves professionally, but at the same time to gain knowledge that is required to move forward in their professional development career.